Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I am so happy to see so many of you resonating with the readings, and many people WhatsApp me saying that they could feel the connect of the readings. So do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click the bell icon also, as in when you are resonating with the readings, then do let me know. I will be more than happy to hear the feedbacks from all of you. So let's go to the readings today. I have pulled out 3 cards. This is card 1, the Page of Cups, card 2, oh beautiful, the 4 of Cups, and card 3, the Chariot. So I feel today is a day where cups basically is always emotions, but here if you see the center card, if you see the 4 of Cups, here I feel that the person is happy. So today you will be happy, you will be content with how the day is going. The day has movement, the day has positivity. Also for some of you, I feel you will go to the next stage of your happiness, maybe a promotion, maybe a career growth, or maybe for some it will be like you are getting a new job offer, or a new project is coming your way. But overall I see a day of happiness, a day of content, and a day of smooth movement. Some of you may travel, some of you may travel with your life partner, is what I feel. Now this travel does not need to be a long travel, it can be a small travel also, but travel is in the cards for most of you all. And overall, if you ask me, I will say day of happiness, day of blessings, day of new beginnings, day of good news. Overall, an amazing day. One more thing I want to say here is, if you are a person who is into shares and investments, think properly, keep one part of your investment separately and invest the rest. Don't invest everything today together, because I said it's a beautiful day. Don't go in for full investments, invest part by part. That is what I feel when I'm seeing this. Also, spend time with your life partner today, because maybe that will make you more happy and that will make you more content. And today what you can do is, in the morning, you can chant the Ganesh mantra, Om Gam Ganeshaya Namaha. If possible, buy some laddus, offer it to him, and then give it to poor people. You can also have it, but if you can give it to poor people, that would be really really good. And today the color, the dress that you should wear is red. Today is the color of red, because I see good energies, new moments, new beginnings, but so maybe red should be there. For some of you, or for the most of you, I feel today you should also focus on chakra meditation in the morning. When you start your day, chant the Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times, and then do the chakra meditation. You get a lot of chakra meditation videos in Google, in YouTube. Just do some chakra meditation and then start your day. And as I said, offer laddus and then give it to the poor people, so that life is sweet and fruitful for all of you. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.